How to redeem Amazon gift card on Amazon app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Amazon gift card on the Amazon app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Amazon app. And then here, once you're on your Amazon app, you have to tap on your profile here in the bottom left side. Now here tap on your account and here scroll down and go to the Amazon Pay section, and in Amazon Pay section you will see here add gift card to your balance option. Tap on it and here you will see the add a gift card box, so enter here the code and then tap on add to your balance, and if your Amazon code is correct it will be redeemed and added to your Amazon balance. And so this is how you can redeem it. Thanks for watching.